Welcome to REIT Magazine's weekly report. I'm Matt Bishore.
And I'm Alan Kenny. In our first story this week, Brookfield Office Properties last week announced plans to acquire MPG Office Trust for approximately $180 million. Brookfield intends to use the MPG assets to form a new fund focused on the office market in downtown Los Angeles. The portfolio of the new fund, which will be called DTLA Holdings, would consist of Brookfield's existing downtown LA assets and all of the assets of MPG, which owns and operates Class A office properties in the city's central business district.
Fundraising for private real estate investment reached its lowest level in 10 years in the first quarter of 2013, according to the latest data released by alternative assets research firm Preqin. The $5.2 billion raised by private equity funds that closed in the first quarter is the lowest quarterly total since the third quarter of 2003. In contrast, in the fourth quarter of 2012, private equity real estate fundraising reached its highest quarterly point in 4 years, when funds raised reached $22.6 billion.
SNL Real Estate's Kevin Lindeman joined REIT.com last week for a video interview to review the REIT market's first quarter performance. Lindeman said he sees no signs of REIT's capital raising efforts slowing down.
The companies continue to have very ready access to the capital markets, which I think is also very encouraging for them. A lot of companies continue to take advantage of at-the-market offerings so that equity is raised over time at advantageous prices to the companies. I think as long as the company share prices remain high, companies are going to be very interested in issuing equity, and if there is investor demand for it, they'll continue to do it and continue this deleveraging that we've seen.
And that concludes this week's edition of Weekly Report.
Be sure to check back early and often for all the latest commercial real estate news and analysis at REIT.com and realestateinvestmenttoday.com.